Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing SiderAL Forte Iron Supplement, a product that claims to provide iron without the usual side effects like nausea or constipation. We tested it consistently, and here's what we found. SiderAL Forte uses something called Sucrosomial Iron, which means the iron is wrapped in a protective matrix to bypass the stomach and get absorbed in the intestines. This is supposed to prevent stomach upset while improving absorption. During our time using it, we noticed improved energy levels, less fatigue, and better concentration. Things often tied to iron deficiency. Importantly, we didn't experience the usual stomach discomfort or constipation that comes with many iron supplements. The pros are its excellent tolerability, better absorption technology, and clear energy boosting results for those who are low in iron. The cons are that it's more expensive than standard iron tablets, and it may not be necessary for people who already have healthy iron levels. Overall, SiderAL Forte lives up to its claim of being an iron supplement without side effects. If you're looking for an iron support and are tired of stomach issues, this might be the one to try. This has been how to really keep things smart and simple and scam-free.